friends, Serena B here. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I posted a video. I'm working really hard on my newest collection for PAPERCAKES, my online shop. So I haven't been on here very much, but I do have a one little word video that I'm hoping to get out soon, very soon. So hope you guys check out for that. It's never too late to share your goals for 2019 and your one little word for 2019. But today's video is going to be a Project Life video. Now, if you are a follower of mine, you know that last year I started like this little Project Life series where I would put together a kit and then use that and then do kind of like a monthly thing on YouTube. Well, I did that for like a month or two, but I decided to start that fresh in the new year and do it properly, like an actual series throughout the whole year. I'm just gonna explain to you my thinking process as I go into preparing a kit. Moving forward, I think I'm gonna do 2 months at a time. I try to get items that I've had in my stash forever that I just want to use up somehow, and I also theme it. So if I know that there's going to be a lot of designing, I take out a certain type of stickers. You know, February is Valentine's Day, it's Valentine's Day, so I took out a lot of hearts and Valentine's Day type things. So I kind of try to plan ahead as to what my month is going to be like, or you know, what kind of items I'm going to need. The thing that really helps me prepare this kit is the fact that I do Project Life monthly, so I only start getting my supplies ready at the end of the month that we're currently in. We're still halfway through January, thank God, but I already know kind of what I'm going to document, so that was easy. But I like to print my photos at the end of the month. It just helps me narrow down the photos that I want to use, because I tend to take a lot of photos, and last year's album got really chunky really fast, so I think I have to kind of be more cautious on the photos and more mindful. I really want to bring mindfulness and intention. I already do that, but I want to bring it in more so into my crafting this year in Project Life. So I really want to kind of cut down the photos. So one way to help that is to only print the photos at the end of the month or the week before the end, you know, when I don't have that much whatever going on. So for example, January 28th, I can go through my photos and, you know, delete the ones I'm not going to use, keep the ones that I am going to use, because I can take a lot of photos of my cats, and come on, let's be real. If you saw my November Project Life, it was just all cat photos. So anyway, I already started prepping some of the pages. Actually, I'll show you that after, but let's get to the kit. So this is a little box and I went through all of my die cuts. I have a lot. And I took out the things that I think I'm gonna want to use and try to make a dent in. So the point of this video is to show you my kit before and after. So at the end of February, I'll show you what I used, what I didn't use. I'll try to remember to keep these, like, you know, garbage pieces. Usually I just recycle everything, but I'll try and keep them so that you can see what I did use. So I have a lot of these stickers. I just want to like use up for the date or something. A frame I might want to use, I'm not sure. So you can see I went through everything, and there's not that much actually, so I can definitely do a dent in this, so that's exciting. And I took a lot of bigger pieces for layouts that I think I'm gonna want to do, but we'll see if that happens. So those were the die cuts, and I'm going to show you the embellishments and stuff. So this is a sticker book from Maggie Holmes. I got this when I was in the States. It's a crafty DIY sticker thing from Joann's. And then this is the Willow Lane collection. I'm going to try and use this the most. And then I have more Willow Lane. I got 2 packs of these actually. So I just stapled them together. So I'm definitely going to want to use these up. I love these stickers. I also got them in the States when I went. So again, lots of Maggie Holmes. These are from Be Merry Days, which I wish I got another pack. So I have these stickers. They're very, you know, inspirational. And I thought I can use them, maybe the love, the have faith, the hope, and just, it's good for the beginning of the year, you know? So that is, hopefully I'm going to try and use these up a lot, because I've had this in my stash forever. They don't make them anymore. I got them at my local dollar store, but so you kind of want to hoard them, but I can make a dent in them. And then I have the Good Vibes collection, which I really want to use up somehow. I have a hard time using stickers that are things like mixtape, cactus, I believe in pizza. I scrapbook with intention, so if I'm not documenting a donut, I won't use a donut, and there's no way I can use cacti. I find it hard. I don't live in a warm desert area, so the pizza slice, so things like this are kind of difficult for me to use. So that is why there's still a lot going on here, but I'm really hoping to make a dent and just try to use them somehow. You know, if I'm listening to music, I can use that, or I don't know, we'll see how I do. you know, unless I have a picture of pizza, how would I use this? You know what I mean? So, alright, so I'm gonna be using the Snow and Cocoa winter collection, and you know, I live in Montreal, it's cold, it was actually hailstorming today, so I want to use this collection as well for documenting the winter, so February, January, maybe even I'll use that again in the March kit, we'll see. Then I have all of these like word stickers, which I love and I try to use as much as possible. So I have one that's like Valentine's Day related, I have more of those numbers here. Then I have these stickers that I got from a friend in Amsterdam. Thank you, Laura. So I maybe want to use these. They're holographic. I have these hearts. This washi tape book from Heidi Swap that I've had for ages. I just want to use. I had one, I used it up, and then I ended up buying two. So that's why I still have a lot of this. Again, some hearts. Lots of hearts because Valentine's Day. More hearts. I'm not going to use these probably, but I just took everything out just so I can have it in case I do want to use them. I've had these stickers for like 2-3 years and I've never used them because I was like hoarding them, but maybe I can use some of these hearts and stuff. Again, I have another Valentine's Day. This is Hello Love from Crepe Paper. Really want to use up, like it's almost done, you know, but oh, I just want to use up. When I have things like this, I just want to get rid of them and use them up. So I'm hopefully going to make a dent to these. More heart stickers. These are stickers again from Laura that I might want to use. I'm not really sure. I'd have to go through this and pick some, but because they're very big, so I'm not sure how I'll use them. Alright, and then here, this is a little baggie that I put together. When I was putting away my Christmas stuff, I gathered some more wintry things that I thought I can use, like the snowman and like these journaling cards, all from Snow and Cocoa. Some Merry Days, like I have the vellum here that I might be able to use. A scrap of vellum and like this paper here. So this is like my wintry, I'm hoping to go ice skating. It's hailing again. I'm hoping to go ice skating by myself or something, so that's why I have the skates here. So yeah, I just have a little wintry baggie here. And then I got these little stars. They're so cute. And there's like different colors. There's pink, there's gold and silver. So I thought maybe I can use these, but I'd have to like just take a couple out because I'm not going to use the whole pack, obviously. I have my Tim Holtz tiny word stickers. I have the occasions and then the regular small talk. I have these gorgeous little hearts that I love from Crepe Paper. And then I have the Snow Day. I'm going to try and use these, but I'm going to try to hoard them as well because this collection is so rare now and hard to find. You guys are finding them on Tuesday morning, but in Canada, forget it. We don't have anything like that. I feel like when things like this, you know, Crepe Paper should have like staple items that are always there and never go out of style or never get discontinued, because I mean, this is gorgeous. This can be used every year, you know, the colors are nice. I don't understand why they make things so rare, you know, like only for a season. If you don't get everything, then it's all sold out and then you're screwed basically. Anyway, so that is my little kit. I went through my Project Life drawer, picked out some cards, mostly from the Maggie Holmes Chasing Dreams kit for Project Life. Anyways, so just a bunch of cards. This is from Studio Calico. So yeah, that is my kit for the months of January and February. I do not have my enamel dots and stuff like that, so or the washi tapes, but I usually just have like, I'll show you really quick. I have this guy here full of washi tapes, and so I'll just go to this. And then I also have like a drawer on my table full of washi tapes as well. So I didn't pull out the washi tapes because I'm not going to be wasting or using up the whole roll, so I didn't think it was something to show here. Alright, so let's move on. So these are the pages I've done so far. Now, I do 9x12 Project Life. I love it. It's my 4th year doing it. I don't have an album, sadly, at the moment because Studio Calico is pretty much the only place that offers 9x12. And I've been in contact with them a couple of times. They kept saying that there's going to be new styles released this year. However, the last time I spoke to them at the beginning of the month, they said they don't know when. So I'm just going to wait. I'm going to prep my pages, do them anyway, and then just wait for my album and just store them somewhere else, basically. That's my plan. I'm just really hoping that they come up with some really nice things and, you know, patterns, you know, not just colors, and just really expand the 9x12 availability of items and stuff, because it's just really rare. Page protectors they offer are really cheap. They're very flimsy and so expensive, so I buy the ones from scrapbook.com, the 12x12, and I just cut them and then I fuse them. But I'm having issues with that. I don't know if it's the plastic, but lately I'm having issues with the fusing of it and having it stay fused. So Anyway, one more thing I forgot to mention. I picked up the Hooray 12 by 12 sheet that had all of these monthly cards. So that's what I'm going to use for every month in my album. Usually I just make my own. I use any other type of thicker I have, but this time around in this album I'm going to be using these. So that's just going to be a cohesive theme that's going to be seen throughout my whole album. I already started printing out pictures of the first month, and that's when I realized, you know, Serena, slow down. You might look back and be like, maybe some pictures aren't important. So I have a lot of space left. And yeah, so that's pretty much what my January page looks like for now. Every year now, starting last year, I take an acetate sheet and I incorporate my one little word into like a title cover page. So this year I took this acetate from Amy Tangerine, which I absolutely love, and these are some thickers from Maggie Holmes, the Willow Lane collection, and I wrote out trust the process because my one little word is trust for this year. And this is the little layout I always do, again, a one little word layout. If you guys want to check out the one I made last year, I'll link it below. This is all mostly Willow Lane, except for this background paper here is from Here and There. I just love it. And then I have some stickers from Chasing Dreams, and this is from Simple Stories, and this is from a pink paisley thing. So I'm really using up my stash. This was like a 2x2 Project Life card that I cut down to size because I don't really use 2x2 Project Life cards, so now I've been taking them and using them as ephemera and decorative pieces. So that's what I've been trying to use up my cards. And I already did like a destash. Every year I go through my collection, I get rid of things and I donate them to my friend's elementary school. So I got rid of a lot of Project Life cards. So whatever I did keep, I'm gonna use as ephemera and stuff. So I really like how this page turned out. I make my layouts very simple because I'm not a layout type of girl. At least I don't do 12 by 12, you guys know that about me. But I really like how it turned out. I like how it's like blocked and deconstructed. And I went with believe and trust, and that is my one little word again. So there was a lot of different quotes I wanted to use, but I decided this is short and sweet and very to the point. I need to believe in myself, I need to believe in trust, and I need to trust myself and the process and the journey I'm on right now. So yeah, that's why I'm gonna have a video for you guys about my one little word very soon, hopefully. Alright guys, that is my Project Life kit for January and February. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. This is something new I'm trying for my channel. I would really like to hear your feedback. If this is something you'd want to keep seeing from me, if you like my Project Life videos, let me know, because kind of share some months and then just forget and just kind of like fall off the bandwagon and not share anything anymore. So if you guys want to see a consistent update on my Project Life, let me know, because if you guys want to see it, then I'll definitely make it an effort to show and record it for you guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for being here with me. I hope you guys have a lovely day and a lovely week. Take care. Bye.